Hi, it's Michael, and today I've got a couple tips for you if you have the Café Affetto coffee machine, espresso maker. I love this Café Affetto machine. I did a full review of it, so if you haven't seen that, please check it out. I'll put a link right up here on the top right of the screen for you to click on. But this machine is awesome, and basically it is a whole bean coffee grinder. You pour in your whole beans, freshly roasted whole beans in the top hopper, and then the machine will grind it and produce a really nice espresso, Americano, or lungo. However, there are a few people who have posted hideous reviews showing the mold that can build up in this machine. Now, I've had this machine for nearly 2 months. I have never had a hint of mold. As a matter of fact, I have never seen any moisture or anything inside this machine. So I think probably what we're dealing with is user error here. So here is the deal. After the coffee is made, the machine automatically dumps the pucks into this container here. Now imagine this just had hot water going through it, these pucks. So it's hot, it's steamy, it's filled with moisture. If you don't empty this out, at least, I empty mine out every day, but at least every couple days, you're going to have all that hot steaming mess in there, creating a lot of moisture inside the brewing area. And so, yes, I can understand how you could possibly get mold starting to form in here, but it's certainly not going to happen if you are fastidious with cleaning this. So basically what you need to do is pull this out after every few coffees. It's automatically going to give you an alert on the top to empty the waste after it makes 10 coffees. 10 pucks is all that'll fit in here. So if you just wait until 10 every time, depending on how many days it takes you, I could go through 10 in about 2 days easily. But I empty this every day. So just take it to your trash can, throw it out, rinse it out, put it back in here, and then just remove the tray. And then you got to move the brewer. Take this out, also rinse this off and dry it off. But here's the important part. You want to go in here with a paper towel or a microfiber cloth or whatever you've got, and you just want to sweep out any coffee grounds or any moisture that might be on the bottom, and just make sure it's dry in here. It's not rocket science, You just have to do some common maintenance. Just make sure there's no moisture in there or any coffee grounds. The coffee grounds that I just removed, they're dry. So, there is no moisture in this machine at all. After you've cleaned it out and dried everything, if it's wet, like this will be wet if you wash it under the faucet, just click it back in there, put back in the tray, start making coffee again, and you should be good to go. This is a wonderful machine. It requires very minimal maintenance, just emptying the coffee grounds out of there, but do it at least every couple days. But if you just let that warm, moist coffee in there, yeah, it is possible you could get some mold. I've never seen it myself. Enjoy your Café Affetto. We'll catch you the next time. Thanks for watching.